Good morning, everybody. I just woke up and I was here outside and it's so muddy. It's been raining outside though. Yeah. So we plow this one for our garden. So far we plant our squash and melon here last week. Oh, so mad. My chicken waiting me to feed them. Here they are. Hello, chicken. Good morning. It is our chicken. All of them, they're laying eggs. So we don't need to buy eggs though. We always get for free and fresh every day. Hold on. Time for feeding them. There you are. Grrr. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. They're all here. Sometimes they go flying because as for now we just only put this chicken coop temporary and no roof yet, so they know how to fly though. They're really good for laying eggs. And there's my quail. Hello, quail. It's only I provide this. There they are. Okay. Ooh, something bugs in my eye. You always look hungry, huh? They're always. There's no benefits, just only like a pets though. We bought their feed was so expensive. And they're not even laying eggs for now though. I don't know why. Maybe they're stressed. There's their feed. It is lots of protein. Expensive though. Maybe like $20 for one bag. Then you feed them twice a day. They become few and few. Oh, it's run away. Last time I have 40, around 40 quail. And now there are only 20. Smaller and smaller. Oh, smelly. I need to change their hay again. It's my job every day with this animal. What's up, cat? Lots of mess over here. Grass so tall. And we're just only waiting for the time to cut this one for hay baling. So tall. They're in Philippines. Oh man. Places they're already turned to brown. There's no any green. It's been drought. El Nino. See this? It's so muddy. It's really hard rain last night. It's our new shop. It's a big shop though. Only James working that one. It's our pond. So I'm heading to my garden. We put our garden far away because also, it's also like exercise. Nothing wrong with that, but the only thing is, it's the problem. It's no water there, so we need to hold a water, and it's really a lot of work. You already wore out your body. We have a mountain of Colorado. Lol. It's a nice morning. Sunshine here and fresh breeze. Bear with me, guys. Look at this grass, how tall they are. Wow. I love it. Enjoying looking every day. You see this one? They are so tall. And supposed to be it is a hay trap over here. It is for hay that we keep it. But I think this year we're going to change our area. So instead, we just make it like a garden here. Because the soil here was so fertilized already, been 20 years, put the hay over here. Wow. So far, all my seeds was growing. This is the summer squash, and it is my corn. I planted this one 2 weeks ago, and this is a kind of bean too. Actually, I don't know what bean is this because I have a different kind of bean, so I forgot to label it. At that row, at the last one, it is okra. Supposedly I plant a new one last 2 days, and the rest they already sprout because last 2 weeks I already planted, and the rest was not sprouted. So I plant again another time. Wow, look at, so muddy. My boat sank. Oh, my bean was already sprout too. You see it? This is another kind of bean. And here you go, another row, another type of bean. So, and this is charred peppermint. Yeah. Oh man, this is so freaking muddy. I can barely move here. And this is the carrots. It's my carrots. See, this one I already been sprout a while, and because there's still a lot of space, so I plant the new one here, and they're not sprouting yet. Oh, actually I see it already. See it? Oh, yeah. And this one is it's like you know, my friend gave me the seeds. So this is Japanese. You know, it's kind of type. I mean, it's a type of like pichai or bochoy. You know, this one. Yeah. And another row, it is the bok choy. Yeah, my Filipino friend gave all of these seeds. And the next row, it is a white radish. I sprout them first before I transfer here so that, you know, more easy for me to grow. And red radish. This one is a red radish. They already sprout, but some of them they're already bigger than the other one because, you know, like I said, you know, I already been sprouted them. And I have a two long row of onions. And the next side it is um, potato. You can see it because I never been clean, you know, pretty good. So there's a lot of grass though. You know, it's not really important. You know, it's a lot of work for pulling that grass though. It's a big garden, just only for us. But my friend told me I can sell it, but I don't know. You know, some of this we can put in freezer. You know, we can use a long time. And I have a different kind of tomato. So I have a tomato here. I put hay so that, you know, like this one, you know, I only seen in some of the YouTube people, you know, YouTuber, and them they also put hay. You know, I don't know, so I'm just gonna copy it. Nothing wrong to try, but actually it's work. And like last night, it's been hard rain, and supposed to be the soil was really, you know what I mean, that the, you know, so instead it's really protect to the soil, you know, surrounded the tomato. It's really work. So here different kind of tomato again. I think it is a cherry tomato on the other side, and I have a heirloom different kind of tomato, two type though. It's a heirloom tomato, different kind of tomato. Yep. Supposed to be, you know, I'm about to transfer my eggplant over here. I have the two kinds of eggplant there also. So, but I think I need to, as for now, there's still a lot of water, so maybe I'm gonna wait a while, maybe later. So, here at this area, it's look like a vacant, but actually, you know, at this three row, I plant beans too, you know, like pinto beans, pea beans, and, you know, different kind. Well, so far they're looking good. The last, you know, there's nothing there because when it's like you know, like hot, you know, the soil there was not really good. It's so hard. So instead, I just only use at this area because, you know, I already cleaned this. You know, I already clean, and I really work the soil over here. You know, clean the grass or whatever it is. Oh, sorry. Well, thank you everyone. See you for my next videos. Bye bye.